Now, as I switch from CFO to, let's say, a sales manager, you would see how the dashboard changes. My reminders are more now concerned with the opportunities to close, leads and prospects. There is CRM functionality that's built into NetSuite, so you have a full sales automation lifecycle that's available. So lead to opportunities to quotes to orders and all the way down to cash. And then you also have case management. And this is all out of the box as part of the unified system. So, you have your sales, procurement, financials, inventory management, all baked into this platform. As a sales manager, I'm looking at my sales rep by sales. My KPIs are different. My sales operation numbers, again, cater to what the sales manager needs to make their decisions and make their forecasts that's available. Everything is controlled by roles, so your access rights is driven by your roles. So what information CFO has at his disposal, his or her disposal, it might not be available to a sales manager, and there are access rights that define what sales manager can see and not see. So I have monthly sales trends. I have my comparative sales down here. Sales rep quote conversion rate, which quotes were converted to orders, my top 5 customers by sales, and so on.